Good morning, welcome to a beautiful day in Cambodia and welcome to another vlog. We arrived in Phnom Penh really late last night and had just come out to get a tea. But the mad thing here is they seem to be able to pay for everything with US dollars, but they don't have change for US dollars, so they don't have coins. So I paid for this tea with $2 and in return I got 600 Cambodian something. I have no idea how much that is. But today we're going to get outside the city. We're going to rent some quad bikes and have some fun for a few hours, and then we're going to visit one of the famous killing fields and learn more about the Khmer Rouge takeover here in the 1970s. Well, this little cat's blind, so he has to be on a lead.
I need you to do only this one. This one, the accelerator and the brake. This one, brake and accelerator.
Okay. We just stopped for a minute to grab a drink, and the quad bikes are proving to be quite popular. Quad biking done, had a lot of fun. It was nice to get out the city for an hour or two. But now we're at the Genocidal Centre and I've got my headphones ready. I'm going to learn more about what happened here in the 1970s. That was really tough to listen to. These fields behind me, they look tranquil and calm, but thousands and thousands of people were executed here. And I think the worst part is it was only 40 years ago. So even when we're walking around now, there's clothes and bones and teeth that are coming up through the ground and being washed away by the rain. It's truly horrific. Back in Phnom Penh now, and all the excitement and intrigue from today, just realised we haven't actually eaten anything since breakfast. It's time to get some food, maybe some beers. The last beer that I had was in Singapore and it cost me about $15, something like that. This beer cost $1.25. I like Cambodia. And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button if you have. We've got a 7-hour bus ride to Siem Reap tomorrow, so the next vlog will be from there. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. I'll see you then.